Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Wednesday, August 21st. Well, the 4-day slide is over for now. The biggest decline we've seen of the year. The E-mini S&P finished up 5.5 points yesterday at 1650.5. The high was 1656.75 with a low at 1641 before that bounce. Dow futures still were negative, down 21, 14,981. Dow only had an 88-point range between its high and its low. The NASDAQ was down 13 at 3083.5 on an inside day where it didn't make new highs or new lows from the session before. The dollar index was the news, down 33 yesterday, below the 8100 level. 8093 is where it sat at the close yesterday. That pushed the euro currency up 80 points, 134.24 with the high yesterday 134.54. Nice push on the euro currency above that 134 level. Next target technically is 136 if it can maintain this strength. The bond market did have a bounce, almost a full point, up 31 ticks, 131.11 yesterday. Crude oil had a sell-off at the middle of the day, down $1.86 at 105. The high of the session was 107, the low was 104.60. So a lot of range testing there. Did end up finishing at the low end of the range at 105, right at that support point that we're keeping an eye on. And gold maintained its strength, up another $5 at 1370 on the day yesterday. So after a positive bounce yesterday, where the markets stand on this Wednesday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're back down a bit. We're down 5.5 points in the E-mini S&P at 1645. We're down about a third of a percentage point across the board. The Dow futures are down 41, 14,944, and we're down 12 in the NASDAQ. The range yesterday was 3097 to 3063.5. Again, an inside day, so it'll be interesting to see technically which direction we decide to break out of on that trading range. The dollar index is up 14 at 81.07, and the euro currency is backed off a little bit, down 32, 133.89. Bonds are quiet, 131.07, and crude oil is down 10 cents at 105. And lastly, the gold market's given back a little bit of its gains. Again, it made some highs here recently at 1384. Right now we sit at 1364, down $8. 1350 was that breakout point, so we'll see if that can act as some support on the downside. So to wrap up the current market action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're down across the board. We're down 5.5 points in the E-mini S&P at 1645, and we're down 41 at 14,944 in the Dow. Let's keep an eye on yesterday's low in the S&P at 1641 to see if that can hold as a near-term support after we finally got a bounce yesterday. I will see you early Thursday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.